Plywood trick. This is a 1/4 inch plywood. Probably need 160 mile an hour ball speed to get through. You guys want to, we can do 2 shots.
So in the video we just watched, we found our velocity to be 155.5 miles per hour, and then we converted that to meters per second, which is 69.5 meters per second. After using our average angle that we found in a projectile motion spreadsheet, on average it was about 20.5 degrees, we found our x and y velocity components and used our y component and found time.
So we found the initial velocity as being 65.1 meters per second in the x component, and the average time that a ball is in contact with the club head is 0.0004 seconds. So that gives us an acceleration of 162,720 meters per second squared, which, used in an FNet equation, given the mass of the ball being 0.046 kilograms, gives us 7,486.5 newtons. Then, based on a video analysis, we determined that after the ball passes the wood, it is in the air for 3.3 seconds and travels 195.7 meters. Given the universal velocity equation, we determined that to be 59.3 meters per second in the x direction.
Using the fifth kinematic equation and the velocity of the ball after the collision and the velocity of the ball before the collision, we divided it by 2 multiplied by the thickness of the wood, finding the acceleration to be negative 103,526.8 meters per second. Plugging that into an FNet statement with the mass of the ball being 46 grams, we figured the force is negative 4,758.5 newtons. Putting the acceleration into the first kinematic equation, we found the velocity to be, for the ball needed to go through the wood, would be 41.4 meters per second.
So based on the 41.4 meters per second found as the speed needed to break through the wood, we determined the y component being 15.5 meters per second based on the 20.5 degree launch angle. Then, using the third kinematic equation, we found time using the quadratic formula being 3.1 seconds, and plugged that into the velocity equals distance over time equation, rearranged for displacement. So we got a displacement of 128 meters, which means that in order to drive a golf ball through a 1/4 inch piece of plywood, you need to be able to hit a golf ball 128 meters at an angle of 20.5 degrees.
Oh.